Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Cloudinary for image uploads in no-code apps. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, create a Cloudinary account by visiting cloudinary.com and signing up. After logging in, access your Cloudinary dashboard. In the dashboard, find your cloud name, API key, and API secret under the account details. Next, navigate to the settings section on the left sidebar. Click on the Upload tab within the settings menu. Here, take note of the upload parameters such as allowed formats and eager transformations. In your no-code app platform, locate the option for external integrations or API settings. Add Cloudinary as an external service using the credentials from your Cloudinary account. Configure the upload settings by specifying the upload preset, found in the upload settings of your Cloudinary dashboard. Make sure to set the allowed file types according to your earlier preferences. Once you have configured the upload settings, create an upload button in your no-code app. Link the upload button to the Cloudinary API using the configured settings. Test the integration by uploading an image through your app. Check your Cloudinary dashboard to confirm that the image appears in your media library. If the image uploads successfully, you've configured Cloudinary correctly for your no-code app. For additional features, explore Cloudinary's image transformations and optimization options. This simple setup allows you to manage image uploads efficiently in your no-code applications. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.